guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going over my step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC in New Jersey 2 different ways. So the first way we're going to talk about is going through the whole process on your own. But don't worry, we'll walk through each of the steps together. The second way leaves all the hard work to a professional company, like Tailor Brands. So Tailor Brands is an all-in-one online platform that has helped more than 500,000 business owners form their own LLCs. They have a team of experts who can handle all the heavy lifting of starting your business for a fraction of your time. So if you want to learn more about LLCs and how to set one up in New Jersey, then welcome. I'm glad you're here. Before we move on, if you decide that you want to try out Tailor Brands, you'll find an affiliate link down in the description. Using the link, you'll get a bit of a discount that you wouldn't find directly on their website. That being said, what exactly is an LLC? A Limited Liability Company, or LLC as it's more commonly known, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, meaning your personal assets are separate from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets should be out of the picture. Also, LLCs give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the chance to bring in multiple owners, known as members, who can share in the company's profits and losses. All of these benefits have made the LLC a popular choice for many entrepreneurs starting new or existing ventures. Now, you can set up an LLC 2 different ways, like I mentioned before. To start off, let's go through the process to do it on your own. So, first things first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and hasn't already been taken or similar to another business. Checking out the business name search tool on the New Jersey Department of Treasury website is a good start to make sure the name you want is available. Or a Google search is helpful too. When it comes to naming your LLC, New Jersey has very few requirements. Of course, the name should be unique, and the name must have Limited Liability Company, either spelled out or abbreviated in the business name. There are some words you need to get approval from the leading state agency before you can use them. Some of these words include insurance and bank. Now, when it comes to naming a business, we hear the term DBA, or doing business as, thrown around a lot. Depending on how you choose to name your LLC and your business, you may not need one. Say, for example, I'm going to name my business Skating Rink LLC. If I legally run and advertise my business as Skating Rink LLC, then chances are I wouldn't need a DBA. If I run my business as something else, even as Skating Rink, then I would likely need some additional forms, like a DBA. I wanted to bring this up because DBAs can get confusing, and when I was first starting my business, I wish someone would have made it easier for me. Now we have a whole line of DBA videos to help you through that process. In New Jersey, DBAs are approved through the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. So a trip to the njportal.com website is a good place to start if you want to go that route. Next step, you need a registered agent. A registered agent's job is to be the middleman for important legal documents for the business from the state. You or another member of the LLC who is a legal adult resident of New Jersey can be a registered agent for the LLC. Now, it's important to consider availability if you want to go this route. If all of the members work full-time outside of the business, fulfilling those duties in-house make it tricky. Because of that, an outside person or service may be a better fit. So definitely consider all your options. Now we can actually move on to creating the LLC. New Jersey does this by filing the Certificate of Formation. This registration document will ask for the name you've chosen for the business, the purpose of the business, details on your registered agent, the duration of the LLC, if you choose to set one, and the business's main operating address. State fees are due with the application. As of 2024, the fee is $125. You can go through this process online by going to the business.nj.gov website. Now, beyond legally registering your business in New Jersey, you also need to register for state taxes. To do this, you need to go to the New Jersey Department of Taxation's Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services, or more commonly known as DOORS, to complete the nj.reg form. To go through the process, you'll need to have your 10-digit state ID code that you get from your Certificate of Formation, your EIN from the IRS, that we'll touch on more on a little later, the NAICS code used to classify your business industry, which you can find pretty quickly on the NAICS website, and your New Jersey business code. Once all that is done, you'll get a certificate of authorization to collect sales tax and a New Jersey tax ID. The tax ID will be the same as your EIN with an extra 3 letters added to it. This new code, so to speak, is what you'll use to pay your taxes. Next step is to create your own operating agreement. New Jersey doesn't require LLCs to have one, but having one makes sure all the members are on the same page. Even in a single member LLC, it's still better to have one than not, since it's often considered a blueprint for your business. The agreement should include the breakdown in ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, how profits and losses are divided, what happens in the event of disputes in the business, and the procedure if a member wants to leave or close the LLC altogether. Now, these documents are often called living agreements, meaning they can and should be changed at any time to show any changes in the LLC. Next, you need an employer identification number, or EIN, that we mentioned a little earlier. An EIN is kind of like your business's social security number. Having one is crucial to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to get your business ready to pay the necessary taxes. Because LLCs are considered pass-through entities, the business itself isn't responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is passed on to the owner or owners unless you choose to be taxed as a corporation. So all federal, state, and local income from the business is then reported and paid through the owner's personal tax return. You'll also still need to be prepared for self-employment, payroll taxes if you plan to have employees, and sales taxes that we mentioned earlier. Sales tax is collected on the sale of physical goods and some services. As of 2024, the tax rate is 6.625%. Tax payments must be submitted to the state on a quarterly basis unless you collect more than $50,000 in sales and use tax in the prior calendar year, or more than $500 within the first or second month of the tax quarter. Then you need to submit those payments on a monthly basis. All submissions need to be made electronically, either online through the New Jersey tax portal or by phone. Now, besides taxes, you'll also need to file an annual report to maintain your LLC. The document is due by the end of your anniversary month each year. You can go through the renewal process by using the NJ portal website. The fee is $75. Now, if going through all of these steps on your own sounds like a lot to handle, there is another way to get this all done. Personally, there aren't enough hours in the day to get this all taken care of, and knowing me, I would most certainly forget to do something, which is why I chose Tailor Brands to form my business for me. So if you're short on time, you feel like you don't have the background knowledge to handle the paperwork, or you simply don't feel like dealing with it all, then there's an easier way, which is using a business formation service like Tailor Brands to take care of everything for you. Now, personally, I see Tailor Brands as one of the best business formation services out there, especially for first-time business owners, because they take care of everything for you. Now, don't get me wrong, there are other great services that I also tried out there, like Zen Business, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings. So if you want to learn a little bit about them too, I'll go ahead and leave some review videos down in the description for you to check out. So, what does Tailor Brands do? Well, they offer new businesses the resources they would need to launch a successful business easier and more efficiently than the traditional way of doing things. So, they created an AI-powered site that offers a one-stop shop to give startups everything they need in one place. They offer services for websites, digital business cards, and merchandise, along with their popular registration and management services, so that you can get everything from them for a yearly subscription, or by grabbing individual services as you need them. So let's walk you through the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you'll find a Choose Your State field. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select New Jersey. After that, click on Get Started. Then you'll type in the name you've picked for your LLC. For the next step, you'll answer a cluster of pretty simple questions. Essentially, these questions help the platform understand your business, so they can get an idea of what your business will need. Some of these questions include where you'll run the business, what products or services you'll offer, how you plan to offer those services, whether you plan to have employees, and the current stage your business is in. You'll get the opportunity to choose things you're looking for some help with too, like business licenses, websites, or marketing. Now, you're not automatically signing up for anything by making any of the selections. This is so the Tailor Brands website gets a better understanding of what they can offer to help your business. Naturally, you'll be asked to provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and zip code you'll run the business in. And just to be clear, this information is solely used for forming your LLC. Next, you'll be offered a few services to make running a business a little bit easier. Like they can get your EIN for you, set up an operating agreement, and be your LLC's registered agent. You can get compliance reminders and a branding toolkit too, and you can upgrade to get expedited processing in case you're a procrastinator, like me. The last thing you'll need to choose is your plan with Tailor Brands. There's 3 they offer, ranging from semi-DIY to Tailor Brands doing it all, including access to their extensive marketing resources. Their plans really are tailored to every budget and need. Once your application is processed, Tailor Brands will submit your application to the state for you. So, as you can see, the process doesn't have to be overwhelming. By letting Tailor Brands handle all the hard work for you, you can have peace of mind that everything is being done correctly, and you have more time to focus on your business. So this sums up both ways to set up an LLC in New Jersey. By 1, doing it all yourself, or 2, having a business formation service do everything for you. At the end of the day, I feel Tailor Brands is a great option for setting up an LLC for your business. The process is fast and user-friendly. Not to mention the additional marketing services they offer makes it a more valuable resource for those who are looking for those tools than formation sites who only offer registration services. The prices for their services are reasonable, making it a good investment, especially when you consider the time and hassle you save. I would recommend Tailor brands to anyone starting a new business who, like me, is looking for help with it all, from incorporation to brand identity. So for the convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to get started is a business name, Tailor Brands has you covered. And that's going to be it for today. I really hope you learned something. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, check out the affiliate link in the description to get a discount you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. And as always, I love hearing from you guys. What are your thoughts about Tailor Brands? Or do you have a question I didn't cover? If so, please drop those down in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.